Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to solve Computer Science Paper 2 Problem Solving and Programming. Paper code is 0478. This is October-November 2021. I will provide the solution in terms of a VB.NET. Okay, let's start the session. This is the scenario and I hope you read this scenario. And these are the 6 arrays. Home to start station, that is code, price. These are 2 arrays and 2 arrays start station to end station in terms of a code and price. And this is the third array, end station to destination, that is code and price. Task number 1, setting up the booking system. Write a program to set up arrays to record the following. Number 1 is code and prices for each of the 3 stages. I will provide you this file. In this file I have written all 3 tasks, but you will implement one by one. Okay, first of all you will copy first task and paste into VB.NET. Okay, I'm going to copy this task, that is task number 1, and I will paste it on VB.NET. Control C and I will paste here. Okay, I have pasted this one. This is task number 1. What I did, I have declared these 6 arrays. These are the 6 arrays. Array 1 is home station, home start station to code. Array number 1 is home start station code, and this contains C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, that is a code, and a price 1.5, 3.0, and so on. And this is home to start station code, and this is the start station to end station code and price. These are the code and these are the prices. And this is the third phase, that is end station to destination code and end station to destination price. Okay, I have initialized these 6 arrays according to the given scenario. I have declared another array, that is passenger info, and I have given this 0 element. I will expand this array on the runtime, and at the starting I have given 0. Second one is index as integer. The purpose of this index is to control the elements of the array. This is my main. In the main I am going to call task 1. Okay, this is task 1. I am going to task 1. Okay, and what I have written in the task 1. Now I am going to the definition of task 1. Here is the definition of task 1 from line number 20 to 28. Okay, and what here I am going on. Suppose I am calling this function for x equal to 1 to 3. Here I have written call passenger account, and I am passing 2 arguments. One is the array passenger information and second argument is the index number. Okay, when this function will be executed, then it will increment 1 in the index value, and then it will expand this passenger array with one more element, resize, redeem, preserve passenger underscore info of index. This is the length. Now I'm going to start what is going on passenger account. This is passenger account. If you will go to the scenario, in the passenger account that include a unique passenger account number and name. It should be unique passenger account number. I have declared a subroutine with the name of passenger underscore account, and it takes 2 arguments, pass passenger information as in array and index as in integer variable. Here I have declared 2 variables, pass underscore account number, that will keep the information of passenger account number and passenger name, and one more variable, that is checking, and checking data type is the boolean, means it contains false or true value. Next one, I have applied a loop from line number 35 to line number 42, and what is going on, it will execute this loop until checking equal to true. What is checking equal to true? First of all, it will ask me to enter the passenger account number. Once I will enter passenger account number, it will store into variable pass underscore account name, account number, and then this pass underscore account number I am passing to this is existed in other function. Okay, that contains 2 parameter. One is pass account number, mean passenger account number, and second one is passenger information that I have already saved, mean all passenger account number are saved in passenger underscore information. What is going on this function? This function will return me true or false. That will store into variable checking, and if checking equal to false, then what it mean? It means this passenger account number is already existed. This passenger number is already existed. Okay, next one, if there is no duplication of the passenger account number, then it will return true, or in case of return true, exit, it will omit from the loop, and then next it will store that information into passenger account information, passenger account number into passenger information information array. This is the same that I am checking here. Okay, and next I will ask enter the passenger name, and that name will store into the pass underscore name. Okay, what is going on this subroutine? In this subroutine I am getting account number of the passenger and name, but account number of the passenger should be unique. How it will be unique is existed function. Okay, what is in existed function? This is my is existed function. What is going on in function? It will take two argument. First one is passenger account number, and second argument is a passenger information array that keeps all the passenger numbers. If index equal to 0, it means this is the first record and it will return true. Okay, if there is not index equal to 0, then you will check for k equal to index 0. It will check from the index number 0 to index number that is the last value in the array. And if passenger info dot k equal to passenger account number, then it will return false. In case of false, it means there is duplication of the passenger account number. And if these functions execute, if there is no matching will find in the array, it means there is no duplication value. In case of no duplicate value, it will return true. Okay, and in case of true, it will shows me this is a unique passenger number. If I will run this program and I will show you how it can work it. Now it will call me 3 times. Okay, now I'm going to run this program and I will show you how passenger account number will be working. Now soon enter the account number. Suppose I am going to enter the value 1 2 3. Okay, enter the passenger name. I have written a search. Enter the account number. Suppose if I am going to enter again 1 2 3, that is the duplication of the account number. It gave me message this passenger account number is already existed. You will enter the new account number, another account number. Okay, now I am going to enter 456. Enter the passenger name Ahmed. Enter the account number. If I will enter again 456, it will again shows me this passenger account number is already existed, but I am going to enter 789. Name is Ali. Okay, and this is done. Now students, you have seen that this function is working, and this function containing only unique passenger account number. Okay, next one is booking that include a unique passenger account number, a start time of the journey, a code for each of the stage of the journey, and a unique booking number for the journey. Store the data for the code and price for each stage. Okay, this is the last point of task 1. This is booking. Here I have taken a variable name, start time, and home to start station, and start station to end station, and end station to destination, booking number, passenger account number as a string, cost 1, cost 2, cost 3 as double, and dim checking as a boolean. Okay, now what is going on? First of all, I am going to enter the account number for booking. Okay, account number. I will enter the account number for booking. Okay, and then it will ask me console.write line enter the start time. It will ask me to enter the start time because start time is between 0 to 23, and the purpose of this loop is it must be get the value that is within 0 and 23. Okay, if you will enter more than 23, then it will not be accepted. Okay, now so this is my messages that I want to display on the screen. Code 1, code C1, C2, C3, and prices are there. And after this, I will ask to user enter the code for home to start station. You will enter the code, and that code will be stored into the variable HSS, home to start station. Okay, and after this, it will verify whether your entered value is C1, C2, C3, or C4 or C5. If your entered value is in between of C1 to C5, it will be accepted. Otherwise, it will ask you to enter again this value. Okay, and this should be capital C1, because it is written in the scenario. Same way I have implemented code of M1, M2, so on M4, and these values are this input is stored into variable SSES, and this SSES should be between M1 and M5. If you will enter value in between of M1 and M5, it will be accepted. Otherwise, it will ask you to enter again. Okay, same way I have implemented the code F1, F2, F3, and F5, so on. Variable ESD is used to store the value of end station to destination, and after this your value must be matched, must be in between of F1 and F5. Okay, after this, here I am going to call the cost one. How I am going to cost one? First of all, I need to get the index of this value, this variable. Okay, and what is this variable? This variable is HSS, and HSS must be within C1 to C5. Okay, it will give me the index, and that index I will use to get the price. For example, you have selected C3. I need the index of this value, that is C3. Maybe it consists of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Index number is 2. Same index I need to get the price. Okay, I will get the price of this. Okay, in this way, if you are going to enter M4, then I need to get the index of the price that having the same index of the code. Okay, if you need to get the index F4, it means you will use the same index to get the price, that is 6. Okay, I have used the same home start station of code of HSS. I need to get the index of this value, and this index I am using to get the price from this array. Same way I have written cost 1, cost 2 and cost. Okay, and next one is booking underscore number. I am using no means it will give me date and time and seconds. Okay, this I am using for the booking number, and this will not be duplicate. Okay, because it will in every second it's changing. Okay, this is the array of the this is a code, this is a function, this is a subroutine of booking. Now I will use how you will store this one. Suppose I'm going to store 3 values. Now I'm going to store the value. Now I will show you call booking. Okay, suppose you are going to enter one value. Okay, I'm going to put comment. I'm going to apply the comment on for loop and redeem next X, like that. Okay, now I will run this program. Enter the account number. Suppose I'm going to enter 1, 2, 3. Enter the passenger name is Asad. Now enter the account number for booking. This is for booking. Okay, now booking I'm going to enter 1, 2, 3 because I will use the same account number. Enter the start time, that is post 12, and next they're asking me enter the code for home to start station. Suppose if you are going to write small c1, it will not be accepted. It will shows you again. You will enter C1, C2 capital in terms of capital. I know I'm going to enter C capital 2, C2. Same way I'm going to enter M1 and I'm going to enter F5. If I will enter F7, then it will send me message again to enter the code for end station to destination. It must be between F1 to F5. Okay. Now booking is also working proper. This function is also working in properly. Okay. This is a passenger account and this is the isExisted function and booking. Okay, this is my task number 1 has been completed. Okay, now I'm going to start task number 2. In task number 2, allow passengers to open an account by generating a unique passenger account number and storing it along with their names in the arrays. Now names and account number should be stored into the arrays. Okay, I have written task number 2. What I will do, I will copy all the task number to complete from my file. This is my file. I'm going to copy this all code as it is and I will paste it into the Visual Studio. Okay, and you will see how this task has been working. Now I'm going to paste here Control A for the selection of all, then Control V. Okay, now I have written task 2. This is my task 2. Okay, this is task number 2. Okay, what is going on task number 2? What is the points that I should cover in the task number 2? Allow passenger to open an account by generating a unique passenger account number and storing it along with their name in the array. Okay, because this is telling me extend task 1 to achieve the following. Okay, what I have did, I'm using the same function, same subroutine, and I will save the account number and passenger name into the arrays. For that purpose, what I did, this is passenger underscore account is a subroutine. What they are doing, this is account number is going to store into the passenger information array and passenger name, I'm going to store passenger name into the passenger name array. Okay, I have taken 2 arrays, passenger information to keep the passenger account number and passenger name to keep the passenger name. Okay, this I have done. Okay, point number 1 is completed. Okay, for that one, passenger name, if you will go to the app, you will find this array, passenger information, passenger name. Before in the task 1 I have taken only passenger information. No, I have taken passenger underscore name array also. Okay, and two other arrays, booking information that is used to keep the booking of all the passengers, and booking array that will keep to unique booking number. Okay, and then index is used to control the passenger passenger elements, and b index is used to control the booking information element. Okay, now what is going on? Call task 2. Okay, in task 2 this is called passenger account number. Okay, that we have already done, and I need to change the size of the passenger information array and passenger name. Okay, and next one is call booking, and call b index is used to keep the records, keep the elements of the booking information array and booking array. What is in task point number 2? In task 2, allow passengers to make a booking by first entering their unique passenger account number. Allow passengers to make a booking by first entering their unique passenger account number, the start time of their journey, and a code for each stage of their journey. Check if the passenger account number already exists. Okay, check if the passenger account number already exists. Okay, what I did for that purpose, in the passenger account, in the booking, I have applied a loop to verify that whether this account number is already generated. If this account number is already generated to someone else, then that person only can book. Okay, and what I am doing here, enter the account number for booking, passenger account number, console.writeLine, and here I am checking is existed passenger account number with passenger information, and if that passenger is existed, if it is true, if checking equal to true, then it will return me this passenger account number is not existed. Okay, this passenger number is not existed, but it should be the same. It should be the same that you have already generated that account number to someone else, because if you generate it, then you can book that ticket. Okay, now how it will work, I will show you the working of this, and this is the same code 1, C1, M1, F1, and next one is generate a unique booking number of the journey. Generate a unique booking number for the journey and calculate the total price of the journey without any discount and store the journey detail. Okay, first of all, I'm going to generate a unique booking number for the journey. Unique booking number means here I'm getting a booking number. In the last task 1, I have generated only booking number, but here I am checking again. Maybe two persons can enter the booking number at the same time. Okay, but what I am doing here, I am getting a no. No means it will give me date, time with seconds. Okay, but if two entries with the same name, but I am checking again, if both have the same, is validate booking number comma booking array. It will store into variable checking, and if checking equal to false, then it will return me this passenger account number is already existed. Okay, and what is going on is validate. If you will go to definition, and is validate definition b index, if it is the first entry, then it will return true. Okay, if it is not first entry, then it will check in the booking array. Booking array contains the all unique numbers. Okay, and if your number is matching with that array of any elements, then it will return false. Okay, and in case of true, it will ask me this passenger account number is not existed. Okay, and next task is calculate the total price of the journey without any discount and store the journey details. And how I'm calculate the price, this is cost 1. As I told you, I need to get the index of this code. Once I will get the index, that index will become the index of this array, and this array is the price, and I will fetch the price from that array. That will become the cost 1. Same with cost 2 and cost 3. All these costs are combined together into variable total, and total I have entered into here. Okay, and all these information I will store into booking underscore information. Which information I'm going to store? Passenger account number, passenger name. From where it will get the passenger name? That you will enter the passenger account number, same index number I need to get the name. Then start time, time, then home to start station, then start station to end station, then end station to destination, and this is the total and this is the booking number. Okay, now I'm going to run this program, and after this I need to display this. Okay, what is going on? How many records are there? I will enter, suppose how many records? 2 and records I will enter here. Okay, for x equal to 1 to 2, for x equal to 1 to 2. Now I will run this program. Enter the account number. I'm going to enter 1 2 3. Name is suppose Ali. Enter the account number 4 5 6. Enter the passenger name Ahmed. Enter the account number for booking. Suppose here I have entered 2 account number 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. If I will enter 2 3 4 for the booking, this account number is not existed. It shows me message this passenger account number is not existed. Now what I will do, if I will enter 1 2 3, it will be accepted. Okay, now it will ask me enter the start time 0 to 23. If I will enter 25, it will ask me again, it should be between 0 to 23. So I'm going to enter 5. Now code C1, you will enter the any value between C1 to C5. Now I'm going to enter C1, then M1, then F1. Okay, now I'm going to enter the second value. Enter the account number for the booking. If I will enter 4 5 6 7, it will not be accepted. This passenger account number is not existed. What is the correct code? 456, because 456 we have already generated account number to someone else. Enter the start time. Start time is suppose 22. Code is C5, M5 and F5. Now it shows me code number is passenger account number is 123, passenger name is Ali, and you will start time is 5 and C1 code M1 F1. Total cost is 8.75. C1 M1 F1. If you will go to C1 F1, C1 means this value 1.5, 1.53, 3 plus 5 8, 8.75, and answer is 8.75. And what's the time? This is dates, time and second. Okay, now second record is 456 Ahmed, that is 22, mean it will start time is 22, and C5 code, M5 code, F5 code, total cost is 61. Okay, how it will become 61? This is the last value I have entered. This is the last value. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 45 is equivalent to 61, and this cost is 61. Okay, now this task is also working properly. Okay, now I have completed task 2 also. This is task 2 also completed, and now third task is applying a discount and checking the entry. Extend task 2. I will extend task 2, check the start time of the journey, and if it is after 10, apply 40% discount to the total price and display the total price and booking detail for the passenger to check and allow them to either confirm the details are correct or start again. Okay, now I'm going to copy task 3. That task 3 I have already copied in the file, and if you need this file you can download from my OneDrive. I will upload this file into the OneDrive. Okay, now I'm going to copy this, Control C. First of all I will remove the first one and I will paste the third one, that is task 3. Okay, this is task 3. This is called task 3, and what is going on? Time and entry confirmation. Okay, only two things. Where is the time? Time means here, this is total equal to cost plus 1, cost plus 2, cost 3, and if start time greater than 10, then you will give the discount. How many discount? 40%. Total time 0.4, that is 40%, and it will give me 2 decimal places. Else discount equal to 0 if time is till 10, 0 to 10. And payable amount, how you will get payable amount? Total minus discount. If you will get total minus discount, that is the payable amount. Okay, and for confirmation entry, this is I have applied another loop, start from 80 to 138. This is loop. What I am doing here, I have applied ch equal to y or ch equal to y. What is y? Here I am asking one input, is it correct all the information, yes or no, and it will store into variable ch. If ch equal to not y, small y and not capital Y, then it will ask me information are resetted. Okay, and this will move until you will press y. Okay, this is 2 points I have already covered in this code. Okay, now I want to run this program. I will show you what is going on. Main, this is main task. For x equal to 1 to 2, it will execute 2 times. Okay, 2 times passenger account will be generated and 2 times booking will be there. Okay, now I'm going to start. Here enter the account number. Now I'm going to enter 1 2 3. Passenger name is Ahmed. Enter the account number 456. Passenger name is Ali. Okay, enter the account number for booking. Suppose now I'm going to enter 2 3 4. It will be accepted or not? It will not be accepted. The passenger account number is not existed because you will enter that one that is have been issued to passenger. Okay, if first of all you will generate a passenger account number. Now passenger account number is suppose 123. Enter the start time. Start time is 12. Okay, code is suppose C2 M4 F5. It will ask me is it correct all the information. I'm saying no. Okay, maybe I will suppose I want to enter all the information C5 M5 and F5. Okay, in case of no, it give me message information are reset it and enter the account number for the booking again. Now I'm going to enter 1 2 3. Enter the start time. Now start time I'm going to enter 5, that is less than 10. It means there is no discount. C5 M5 F5, is it correct all the information? If it is all the correct information, I will press yes. In case of yes, it will move to the second booking. Now enter the account number for booking. I have entered 456. If I will enter 4567, it will not be accepted. Okay, this passenger account number is not existed. What I will do, I will enter the correct passenger number for 456. Okay, enter the start time. Now start time is 12. It means after 10. If it is after 10, it means there is a discount, 40% discount. Okay, C5 M5 F5, is it correct information? Yes. If I will press no, it will ask me to again enter all the informations. Again enter to all the informations. Okay, now it shows me 123 is the account number, name is Ahmed. You will start at 5 o'clock. Code number is C5 M5 F5. You have to pay, total amount is 61, discount is 0, and you have to payable amount is 61. There is no discount. Okay, and this is the my booking number. And second record I have entered 456, name is Ali. It will start 12 and that is after 10. It means there should be a discount. C5 M5, I have entered the same amount. Okay, same entry, amount is same 61 and 40% account is 24.4, that is the discount, and 36.6, you have to pay 36.6. okay, and this is the booking number. Okay, this is my task number 3 and I have completed this task also with successfully with covering of all the points. Okay, this is task number 3 and this is the code. This is the code and this file I will upload it into the OneDrive. You can get it, and how to use it, I have created these 3 functions, task 1, task 2 and task 3. You will copy one by one, copy from this file and paste into the Visual Studio, and then you will run it one by one. You will get all these 3 tasks. Okay, if you will like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.